The best supplements for pre- and post-workout nutrition. Want to boost your workout performance and recovery? Choosing the right supplements for pre- and post-workout nutrition can make a big difference. Today, we'll break down the best supplements to take before and after your workouts for optimal results. Let's get started. 1. Pre-workout supplements. First, let's talk about what you should take before your workout. 1. Creatine. Creatine helps improve strength and power, making it easier to lift heavier weights and perform more intense workouts. Take 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate 30 minutes before your workout for best results. 2. Beta-alanine. Beta-alanine helps buffer acid in your muscles, reducing fatigue and improving endurance. A dose of 2 to 5 grams about 30 minutes before exercise can enhance performance, especially during high-intensity workouts. 3. Caffeine. Caffeine boosts energy and focus, helping you power through your workouts. A 200 to 400 milligrams dose 30 to 60 minutes before exercise can increase alertness and improve exercise performance. Just be mindful of your tolerance and avoid taking it too late in the day. 2. Post-workout supplements. Now, let's look at what to take after your workout for optimal recovery. 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein that helps repair and build muscle after exercise. Consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein within 30 minutes of finishing your workout to support muscle recovery and growth. 2. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. A 5 to 10 gram dose of BCAAs post-workout can aid in muscle repair and reduce fatigue. 3. Glutamine. Glutamine supports immune function and helps with muscle recovery. Taking 5 grams post-workout can aid in reducing muscle soreness and improving recovery time. 4. Carbohydrates. Adding a carbohydrate source, like a protein shake with fruit, helps replenish glycogen stores depleted during your workout. Aim for a 2 to 1 ratio of carbs to protein to maximize recovery. 3. Additional tips. To get the most out of these supplements, keep these tips in mind. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to support overall performance and recovery. 2. Balanced diet. Supplements should complement a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Focus on getting most of your nutrients from quality food sources. 3. Consult a professional. Before starting any new supplement, consider consulting with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to ensure it fits your individual needs. Choosing the right pre- and post-workout supplements can help you maximize your performance and recovery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and optimize your workout routine with the best supplements today.